This video is kindly sponsored by LG. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing lots of cleaning, unpacking, vacuuming, just basically trying to get the house back in order after getting back from vacation. As soon as we got back from Hawaii, we were gone somewhere every single day. There was get-togethers, we had our ultrasound, just a lot of different things going on. So now finally we are home all day long so I can get everything unpacked, get caught up on the piles of laundry that there is, and also start vacuuming these floors. My floors were just disgusting in this main area of the house, underneath the bar stools, over by the table. The boys basically eat every single meal over here on the bar stool, so it gets dirty underneath of there really quickly. Basically all of the clothes in the suitcases were dirty laundry, so I just brought the laundry basket out there and filled it up with the dirty clothes. And once the suitcases were empty, I had to shake them out on the porch because there was a little bit of sand in them. And then once I had everything unpacked, I quickly straightened up the living room. Now I'm going to start vacuuming the floors, and I'm using my new LG Cord Zero A9 compressor vacuum. This is such an amazing vacuum. I've been using it around our home and I love it. I'm so excited that I get to share it with you all, and LG is sponsoring today's video, which we're so grateful for. There is so many features about this vacuum that I love. It just works perfect for me and the type of vacuuming that I do every day. Here I'm using the attachments to clean some areas around my house. This first attachment I put on the vacuum to vacuum off the couches. The boys were eating granola bars here at the table and the chair, so they had gotten crumbs all over the table and the chair. Usually I make them clean up a lot of their own messes, but I just went ahead and quickly cleaned it up with this vacuum. It was super easy. And then also I needed to vacuum underneath the bar stools. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is where our little boys eat most of their meals, and so it can get dirty underneath of here really quickly. This vacuum has amazing suction, like I said, and it just cleaned all that up quickly, like no problem at all. One of my favorite features about this vacuum is the compressor technology. So here I'm showing you the lever that you push down on, and that will compress all of your dust and your hair and your dirt down in the bin there, and you get 2 times more bin capacity. You think that your bin is full, and then you push that compressor level and you realize that it's only half full. You can keep on vacuuming. Helps you to be able to get your vacuuming done faster, and also it does come with 2 batteries, so that also helps you to be able to get your house vacuum faster. One battery can be charging while you're vacuuming with the other one. And I also love the portable charge stand because the closet that I want to store it in, I wouldn't be able to hang it up on the wall, so the fact that it has the little stand that I can put in the closet is just so awesome. This vacuum is also extendable, so when I have it all the way down like this, it's the perfect size for the kids to vacuum. They are going to start vacuuming up their own messes underneath the bar stools every day with this vacuum. It's the perfect size for them, and then I can extend it all the way up for me. The vacuum also has washable cyclone and filters, a 5-step HEPA filtration system. It's just a really awesome vacuum all around, as you've seen here in these last 2 minutes. I will have links for this awesome LG Cord Zero A9 compressor vacuum down below in the description box, and you can also shop this vacuum in store at your local Lowe's. in between the cleaning, I'm just working on this laundry, folding what's in the dryer, starting new loads in the washer. I lost track of just how many loads of laundry I did on this day, but there was definitely a lot to catch up on. We had some here before we left for the trip, and then we came back with a heaping laundry basket full. But now that things are starting to get back to normal, I'm trying to get back into my normal laundry routine, which is doing laundry every Monday. I know some people do laundry every single day, like one load every day, but for me, I just like to get it all done in one day. Let me know down in the comments what your laundry routine looks like. So we finally got ourselves a clothesline to put out here for the summertime, and it's just great for all of those clothes that we don't want to put in the dryer. We can just hang them right out here on the line, right outside the back door. Before, we would hang them over the chairs in the dining room and stuff, and that just didn't work very well. This works out way better. They dry so quickly right now because it's really hot and windy. Now I'm going to work on this kitchen and getting it clean, and I had a huge pile of eggs on the counter because our chickens have been laying a lot of eggs every day. I think we've got every single one laying every day right now, so we're getting about 14 or 15 eggs a day, which is awesome. I'm starting off by emptying the dishwasher, then I washed a couple dishes in the sink, and then I'm going to wash all of these eggs and get them put in the fridge. This egg right here is huge compared to the other one, so it's definitely a double yolk, and I had it for breakfast this morning and it was a double yolk. So I put those eggs in the fridge, and now I'm scrubbing out the sink. Going to rinse that out after I scrub it. We got back from the trip and I forgot to wash the sink before we left on the trip, and so it was pretty nasty when we got back, so I wanted to give that a good scrubbing, rinse it out, and then we can wipe off the countertops. The last thing I'm going to do in this kitchen is to vacuum the floor, and then we'll head back in the laundry room and get started on the next load of laundry, getting that put in the dryer and starting a new load in the washer. I got some more clothes put on the line, and then back inside I watered some of my plants because we had been gone for over a week, so they definitely needed some water. And this plant stand right here by the door is from Hobby Lobby. The big rug at the door is from Boutique Rugs, and my husband built those black planters that you see on the front porch, and we do have a video all about that. It's our front porch makeover video, and I'm so sorry I get out of breath really easily about halfway through these cleaning videos or through any voiceover. Basically, sometimes I have to re-say what I wanted to say multiple times, and so I just get out of breath quickly, but that's just because I am pregnant, which I'm sure that you saw the pregnancy announcement video that I posted last week, and if you haven't seen it yet, I'll be sure and link it down below. But now I am back in the master bedroom getting this clean. The first thing I did was to take the sheets off of our bed and go and take those into the laundry room for another load of laundry. Why not add just one more load to all of the other loads I'm doing? And then I wanted to unpack our backpacks from the trip and just get the room clean. It really needed picked up, clean. The floor needed vacuumed, the mirror and the door and things needed washed. So I wanted to do all of that, and it just felt really good to have a nice, clean, calming master bedroom again. I am cleaning up the clothes here and then just trying to clean off the dresser, get everything put away, sort through things. I kind of have a little setup over here by the big mirror with some of my bathroom items so that I can get ready over here by the mirror because we still don't have a bathroom yet. We're still trying to get that bathroom finished up. We might have an update on that this Saturday. We'll just see how working in there goes this week, but our next step in there is tiling the shower, which is going to be a huge job. But we are hoping to get that done in the next month. We're trying our hardest, but it's definitely a lot more work than we thought it would be. But we are ready to have that finished, and we're just excited to see how it all turns out. So now I am washing off this mirror right here, and then I'm also going to clean our door over here. We live in dusty southern Arizona, so our window seals can get dirty pretty quickly. The ones here in the master bedroom really needed swept, so I put the little attachment on my LG vacuum and swept out those window seals. It worked awesome for that. I do still need to use some cleaner down in there the next time I wash the windows, but at least now all the dirt and the dead moths and different things like that are swept out of that crack. I finally got my last load of laundry put in the washer, and after that I only had to wash our sheets that were there in the laundry basket. And then I was completely done with the laundry. I didn't show every single time that I swapped out the laundry just because it kind of gets boring after a while, just videoing every single time that I swap it out, but I was doing a lot of loads throughout the day. I got all the shoes picked up off the floor, and then I got this floor vacuumed. This floor can get dirty really quickly just with everybody coming in the back door, and I do keep the boys' shoes in those little baskets underneath of that bench there by the back door. Now I'm getting the last of the clothes off the clothesline, and then that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video gave you some cleaning motivation, and a big thank you again to LG for sponsoring this video. Like I said, the link for that vacuum will be down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!